All right, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Nick.
Because I got a survey right now. I got a survey on this thing.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, we're calling the police too. Have a nice
Where's
day.
my receipt?
You should have. You never handed it to me, sir.
I did.
I
did hand it to you. I don't have
I mean, bro, check this out. I'll print you some paper, and there's that number right there. Boom.
But I need my receipt so I can do the survey, so I can have the number on the front.
Well, I don't know what you did with your receipt, sir. If you don't have it, there's nothing I can do for
I
you.
gave it to you. I gave it to her.
Do you have this receipt still back here?
I gave it to her. Oh, shit.
Sir!
Fucking asshole.
Hey, just come back.
Well, yeah, I'd definitely get the cops up here and deal with this crowd, man. This guy's psycho.
Get the tag number.
The tag number.
I waited 40 minutes.
So did all of us. Now no one can order food. Now everyone's fucking sitting and fucking waiting because...
What did you say?
Now everyone's fucking sitting and waiting because of you.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I waited 40 minutes in line. I'm not leaving until I get my food. And just because you recorded on your phone doesn't make you cool. You're a fucking bitch. Fucking nerd, dude.
Okay.
You know you are. And until they take my legal cash payment,
Your fucking EDD card?
yeah, exactly. I'm not leaving. You think you're cool, dude. You think you're cool. I get it. You were picked on your whole life. You're bullied. This is
sorry,
because
that's
your dad
awesome.
abused you. No, I'm not
I know there's
moving
nothing
until
I
you
can
give
do.
me the food that I ordered. I'm not moving until I'll pay with card. I have money. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not leaving until you pay me my food. I'm not.
I'm sorry.
I waited 40 minutes.
You're not allowed to.
You're not allowed to move because I waited.
I can't
so
move,
long.
is what
You
I can't do.
Move. No, because I waited so long. No
Everyone
one
is
told
punished
me.
now.
Yeah, everybody is punished.
Yeah.
I've had enough of your shit and your shit. I'm tired of you people breaking the
Rules
rules.
say no cussing. Please don't cuss me. You can't cuss in the pool area.
There's
It says
been
no
kids jumping in
cussing.
the pool this entire time.
And also
They're
says you have to
drinking
have
over
proper
there.
swimwear
Over
on.
there drinking by the
Also
pool.
says you can't be
We're
here
not
past
going
10
to
o'clock.
Get out.
It says you can't be here past 10 o'clock, and I see you and your family up here all the time past
I
10
manage
o'clock.
this pool and I keep things clean here and I fix things. Now get out!
You can't follow your own rules?
Get out!
I'll wait for the police to escort me out. I'm sorry. Because I'd like to talk to them as well for the way that you're treating me.
You're being a belligerent little child and I have asked you to leave.
You're being a harassing old man. You are harassing me for swimming at the pool.
You're violating the rules.
So are you. You can't cuss. You have to be wearing proper swimwear. You can't be here past 10 o'clock.
Turn that phone off.
No. Why? Because you want to disrespect me? You want people
You're
to know?
disrespecting me by arguing with me about the rules.
You're screaming in
We
my
have
face.
rules to follow
Sir,
around here.
you are screaming in my face.
Because you all made a mistake?
Not really, no.
So you want to get mad and hit the computer because you made a mistake? Because your company made a mistake? You want to take it out on me?
I'm not taking it out on you.
So why did you get mad and hit the computer? Why did you get mad and hit the computer?
Because I have not.
I'm sure you're on camera, right?
Yeah, I am.
I'm sure you're on camera. So this is the type of people they have working here.
I gotta go, man. I gotta go. You ruined my life. You ruined my whole life, man.
Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Wow.
I'm not trying to make
So
this
you gotta
hard.
be here
I
till
want
12,
you to
like,
go
stop
home.
playing with me.
I don't care if I have to be here till
playing with me,
12.
boy.
Stop trying to clock back in. I want you to clock out and leave this store.
So what you gonna do if I don't?
Huh?
What you gonna do if
I'm
I
gonna
don't?
call Miss Cheryl and tell her to get you the fuck out of
Okay,
here.
I'm gonna call Michelle myself. Like, stop playing with me.
You being ignorant.
Bro, hold on. You must get some products. Hold
Oh
on.
my God, man.
For real, like, stop playing with me on the cool. Because you don't even supposed to be here, my nigga. All the money you just sold, like, stop fucking playing.
Oh my God. What you fucking talking about?
Shut your roach ass up.
Oh my God. Bro, just get the fuck out of the car.
I'm not. What you gonna do? I'm not.
No, okay.
Exactly.
And
I'm
you're not getting any hours.
I'm I'm not worried about no hours. You ain't gonna make me leave. This is my second job. Y'all motherfuckers leave me. If you want to be technical, like don't play with me because I will do everything your bitch ass and leave.
Okay, well just
What's
go.
the fuck on?
Just go, man.
I'm not going nowhere. Like, I'm cool. I will make my dude come up and step the fuck out you.
For what?
You know he will.
For what?
You know he will. So
For
stop
what?
playing with
Oh,
me.
I don't care if he will or not, girl. I want you to leave and I want you to leave now. That's the whole
What you
point.
gonna do if I know? Nothing.
Well, you off the clock
I'm not worried
anyway.
about the clock. I can clock back in. You ain't gonna do
You
shit.
ain't, no, you out. You ain't gonna clock back in, girl. You ain't gonna clock back in, girl.
Go behind the bill.
I'm trying to deal with you. Get off the damn store.
I'm not worried about you. What you gonna do?
I can't do anything. Yo. You have to go there for drive through.
You feel me?
I understand this. I understand this.
Oh, bro, y'all better stop playing before I slap the shit out of you.
What you mean? Stop playing, man. You stay saying that you
Don't
want
record
to go
me.
home and
Like,
that
don't
you're
record me.
tired, so you can go home right now.
Hello?
I ain't gonna deal with it.
Right. Hey, come get me before I slap the shit out of Rob. Like, he really trying to show out my nigga. He know the real. Like, stop fucking playing with me. Real talk, dolphin ass manager. That what the fuck you is, a dolphin ass manager.
Nobody no dolphin ass man.
If you do powder, what you is?
I don't do nothing, man.
Stop lying. What?
I don't do nothing, man.
I done sold you some
I just want
last
you to
weekend.
leave, man. I just want
Why
you
is
to
he
leave.
trying to
You
explain?
said that you want to get on the clock and go home, so you can go home.
I'm waiting on my ride, like I said. Get your stupid ass on.
Well, then you can wait in the lobby,
No,
man.
I'm not.
You can wait in the lobby. You
You
off
don't
the
pay
clock,
me.
you can wait in the lobby.
No? What you gonna do?
But I can't do nothing about it.
Don't record me, record his stupid ass. Real talk.
Why are you recording this?
Nah, he
Because
won't
it's
record
my
you.
phone. This is a public place.
Sir,
Then
there's
you can
no,
This is
record
a
what you
public
wanna
place.
record.
there's no still or video photography in here.
There's a sign on the door that says no video.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
is
a
it?
sign on the door that say that,
Oh,
sir.
well, too late. I already got it.
It does say no video, no
Sir,
photography.
sir, can you put that down?